especially here is in school. So, pinching, pusuton, and hinting. Kung sa hinting, hapak or whatever na, something na pasakitan. That is, sa napuno ka grades 1 to 3, lima nito ang victim of physical violence. Okay. Approximately, sa napuno ka estudyante, upat dito sa grades 1 to 3 and 7 out of 10 in higher grade levels complain of verbal by their teachers. What is verbal abuse? Verbal. Ang physical is hitting, no? Verbal is kasi pagstorya, no? Example, na bulungkaw, yaungkaw, something na makapasipog sa inyo. It's more of, kung gabi mo na ng senses, ang physical is more of what sense? Ano sa mga sense? Touch. Okay. For verbal abuse, what sense ang namin? Hearing, no? Our sense of hearing. Okay. Letter C, 36.53% of children in grades 4 to 6 and 42.88% of high school students surveyed indicated have experienced verbal sexual violence in school. What do you mean by that? Verbal sexual. Harassment, no? Guwapakaw, sexy ka kuman, verbal siya, pero ang term is sexual lang siya. Pero naa siya'y pakapin na sexual ang iyang effect. Okay? Grades 4 to 6 and 60% of high school students experience inappropriate touching. Yung sa mga chancing, no? Siguro touch, no? Yun na. Okay. Next we have, according to survey, 73.58% of children in grades 4 and grade 6 and 78.36% in high school surveyed in urban areas have suffered. Ano sa urban? Asa natin ko urban? Urban and rural. Asa ka ba belong? Urban or rural? Ha? We belong to rural. Ang urban, asa na sila? Cities. Okay. Verbal abuse, violence from their peers. What do you mean by peers? Classmates, friends, no? Basta something kay iba nila. Pero usually, i-take lang mo na nga, binar ka na. Pero sometimes, if you're going to weigh the situation or level ba, dapat ba abuse na yun siya? Okay? Letter, that is for physical, verbal, no? Sexual and violence among children. Here, 30.17% of children in grades 4 to 6 and 37.57% in high school surveyed enrolled. So here, you compare statistics sa rural o sa urban. Asa mas higher? Urban or rural? Mas higher ang sa urban kaysa rural. Okay? So higher ang incidence of violence. 26.74% of children in grades 4 to 6 and 43.71% in high school urban areas surveyed have experienced verbal, sexual, committed by their peers, and 9.65% of grades 4 to 6 in high school students experience inappropriate touching. So, let's proceed. So, our department, the Department of Education, has this concern for you students, no, to protect you from this physical, verbal, sexual abuse. Okay. So, kung wala kami concern sa inyong mga students, then we don't have this policy. What do we mean by policy? Policy or guidelines. So that if there is violence, there is abuse, everything or immediately ma-address ang issue or ang problema. Okay. So we have two. We have the Child Protection Policy, that is DepEd Order number 40 series of 2012, and we have the Anti-Bullying Act of DepEd Order number 55, 2013. unsa nga municipality sa Surigao del Norte nga naa sila'y Anti-Bullying Act? Anybody? Sabi mo na. Nga naay munisipyo ari sa Surigao del Norte nga naa sila'y part sa ilang